Hi everybody and welcome back to the Hard Use Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily enable or disable the HD audio in your HT-AX7 Sony speaker. This feature is most commonly seen in the Android phones, so you can't find it in the iPhones actually. So at first we need to go into the settings, and then we have to go into connected devices. Here we have to tap this gear icon and near our speaker, and here we have to scroll down a little bit. Here, as you can see, we have HD audio AAC. We can either disable this option or enable it back again using just a simple tap. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye, have a nice day.